How to turn cell color if checkbox is checked in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Select the cell where you want to add checkbox. After you select it, go to Insert and you'll find checkbox option beside illustration. If you want checkbox tilt down, simply drag the first one till the cell where you want to. If you click on it, tick mark will show as marked. If you want to remove check mark, simply click on it again. After you click on it again, check mark will be gone. And this is how to turn cell color if checkbox is checked in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.